Hello everybody, I am Sunita Vadavan. Today I am going to give you a presentation on CBSE workshop Emotional Intelligence. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of the people around you. People with a high degree of emotional intelligence know what they are feeling, what their emotions mean, and how these emotions can affect other people. According to Daniel Goleman, an American psychologist who helped to popularize emotional intelligence, there are 5 key elements to it. Number 1, self awareness. Number 2, self regulation. Number 3, motivation. Number 4, empathy. And number 5 is social skills. Emotional intelligence domains and competencies. Self awareness, emotional self awareness. Self management, emotional self control. Adaptability, achievement orientation, and positive outlook. Social awareness, empathy, organizational awareness. Relationship management, influence, coach and mentor, conflict management, teamwork, and inspirational leadership. Here we are going to discuss very important point that abilities of EQ is to identify, evaluate, control and express one's own emotion, perceive and assess others' emotions. Use emotions to facilitate thinking, understand emotional meanings. IQ is ability to learn, understand and apply information to skills, logical, reasoning, word comprehension, math skills, abstract and spatial thinking, filter irrelevant information. IQ is inversely proportional to EQ. Interacting with others requires applying cognitive abilities because we need to navigate the social world and understand others. Several students of emotional intelligence have revealed that while about 80% of common men success is linked to emotional intelligence, only the remaining 20% is a result of his intelligence quotient. With low emotional intelligence, people are aggressive, demanding, egoistical, bossy, confrontational, glib, selfish, impulsive, resistance to change, passive, unresponsive, slow, critical, picky, fuzzy, perfectionistic, and people with high emotional intelligence are assertive, ambitious, driving, strong willed, decisive, enthusiastic, sociable, persuasive, patient, stable, predictable, consistent, detailed, careful, meticulous, and neat. 5 effective ways to increase your emotional intelligence. Respond instead of reacting to conflict. Be motivated. Practice ways to maintain a positive attitude. Practice self awareness. Empathize with others. Strategies for teaching children emotional intelligence. Embed social and emotional learning into your teaching practice. Celebrating of diverse religious and cultural festivals. Organize small and large group activities, project work, and field trips. Engage students in problem solving, encourage self directed learning, encourage critical and creative thinking, experimentation, no emphasis on rote memorization. Instill perseverance and determination. build self motivation, reinforce improvement in performance, goal setting, emphasis on learning how to learn. Model and impart respect. Practice and preach good habits. Use and insist upon polite language in class. Create an atmosphere of mutual respect. It's okay to disagree, but not okay to disrespect. Incorporate character building education. Visit to old age home, reinforce honesty and trustworthiness, organize NSS and NCC activities, assign responsibilities. It takes some time more than intelligence to act intelligently. Thank you and have a nice day.